Hello, hello. Of course. Okay, the stream seems to be live. Okay. Oh, embarrassing, but first day of live. It's not really trading today. It was more of a testing and just setting things up uh, in the in the system. I was looking at how the trades are executed. I was supposed to record it. I have like 3 hours of recording, and I didn't capture my two trades that I've made. I didn't think the market was very good in the last few weeks. It has been rubbish anyway, with hardly any positive trading. Uh, so I decided to take it easy today, and having the live account in front of me, it was stressful enough. So I'm happy I was able to close it without a loss, even on tiny trades. Actually, on TCAT, as you see over here, I was $30 down in unrealized profits. So I was looking at the big loss, quite a big loss for me. Um, and because I bought at the support, I thought, okay, it didn't break the support yet, it just went a little bit lower, but because of the spread on TCAT was quite big, um, at least 10 cents at some points. um, I After closing this trade for $5, I decided, okay, it's not worth it today, it's better to wait. um, with the news today, the FOMC or something as well at 7 p.m. The market maybe was a bit um, hesitant to make any big moves, although there were some opportunities that I missed. So, um, like this one, right? Uh, at like three-ish after three over here, I think the stock was about here, consolidating, and I thought, okay, I have this ascending line, and probably it's going to test it because the stock is quite strong. And I decided not to go in because it's TCAT again with the wide spreads. I just didn't want to start my trading, um, uh, with a loss. So I said, okay, I tested the system, it works. And funny thing actually happened, like on this one, IMTX, I got in just I saw it on a chart on the side somewhere, and I just went in straight away, forgetting that I'm not in demo, just like blindly. It was like reactive. I forgot for a moment that I'm actually trading live. So quickly, uh, I opened it and closed it as fast as possible because I thought, oh my gosh, I'm in the live. So I guess I have to just get used to it. That now I'm trading live. It's just the experiences from early last um, from the times that when I lost money in the first half of the year last year. Uh, it's just trading with live money is something I'm gonna have to learn to do. Just not look at the numbers, just trust the experience I've gained over the last couple of months. And I'm not as not as crazy like wanting to go into trades. I'm more kind of aware maybe, and I'm really looking for better entries. I don't know. I hope I see it better now than I did when I had no experience whatsoever. It's been, after all, I've been looking at the markets for a year now. So I think I started trading last year. I did say it in one of the videos, was it 12th of March last year when the market was selling off? I remember I applied for the account with IG in UK with the broker on a day when United States banned air travel from Europe. That was the day I decided to trade. It was completely different to what I'm doing now because I thought the market will sell off completely, and I thought this is a huge opportunity to short the market. And when I got in a trade, I didn't even stress much. about it when actually the market started to bounce because I bought it at the bottom. I think I shorted quite a bit of shares of SM, no, Nasdaq first, and the market bounced straight away. I was looking within probably an hour or two, I don't know, whatever, a few hours, at the loss of, I don't know, 5,000 pounds straight away. But I just held it, knowing that, yeah, this is this is just temporary. It's gonna go down. So I was, yeah, just convinced that the market will sell off, and it did sell off for a while, until it started to bounce back on the 18th or 22nd or something of March. So for a couple of days I made, whatever, a couple of days, weeks, I made 5,000 pounds, and then gave away 5,000, and then gave away another 5,000. So overall I lost 5,000, but in total it was 10,000. So yeah, since then I didn't trade. So this is the first time I traded since I stopped. I think it was April, June, or July. I don't know. So since then I was just watching and trying to find something that I could learn and profit from. So we'll see how this will go. I'm also looking at the swing trading, on like looking at the daily charts and hourly charts. So I'll see if I'm going to be able to learn a little bit about that as well, because it seems that this is with this short-term trading like this, you're fighting for tiny profits, whereas with day trading, with the swing trading, you can capture bigger moves as long as you know where your stop is, and if you have a good entry, you don't actually risk that much. So we'll see about that. We'll see. So far I've practiced this, so I'll go ahead with that, and see where it takes me. So I'm closing. I actually created a new spreadsheet here. So it's blank now. I just have this 1.6. The way I was calculating my commissions, I just kind of use the standard formula for what they have it on their website, but it doesn't account for commissions exactly the same way, because you can add liquidity to the market. When I have a limit order, someone hits it with a market order, I'm actually getting paid, so it's a rebate. So I'm getting paid. The minimum charge is $1 for a trade. Right, never mind. It's just slightly different. I have it written here. This is what the breakdown is, and I was really interested in how the execution works. I wish I had recorded it, but it didn't seem much different than the demo. So at least at this point with those two trades, I didn't notice much difference. But over here, you can see that I have added liquidity on two when I was getting in, I think, here, and when I sold, like 3 times, and only one I removed liquidity. I don't know. I'm surprised by that. I don't know how that happened, but if that's the case, if that's with the limit order, if I'm getting hit by the market orders or whatever, however other way it works, if I'm adding liquidity quite often, at least even half the time, 30% of times, I'm considerably reducing my costs, which is good. So I checked with my broker, and it says that my commission is 180, fees minus 20, so I actually got paid, I guess, and then my total is 466. So after making 606, I made 446. So this is ridiculously small, but like I say, it's just the first day. I want to see that the market is a little bit more positive. Maybe tomorrow will be a better day. Everything, the leading gapper, it was ZCMD, sold off, and that's not good. On the open, it went up and sold off really quickly. I didn't even trust it at the beginning. I said I'm not going to trade the open on the first day. It's just not with my skill level, but it did look quite good. Yeah, I just want to take it easy. I waited for so long, I might as well wait a little bit longer. So that's that for today. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. I'm actually tired because sitting all day in front of the computer is quite tiring, and actually not trading, not making anything from it. But I could have as well lost some money. So it's a good start. I wanted to start green, and let's say it's green. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll be back with it tomorrow.